Now, interestingly, there was this question in JEE 2019, which you can generally solve using matrix multiplication, but that way it was very lengthy. But if you know the concept of eigenvectors, then the question was fairly simple. Now, here the question is, we are given two matrices P and Q, where Q is variable, and we have defined R equals PQP inverse, then which of the following options is or are correct? Now we'll begin with the most basic option, and which is determinant of R. Now we know that determinant of R, it can be expressed as determinant of PQ P inverse. Now we know that it is equal to determinant of P into determinant of Q into determinant of P inverse. Now determinant of P inverse is 1 upon determinant of P. So it will be determinant of P into determinant of Q into 1 upon determinant of P, which will cancel. So basically determinant of R will be same as determinant of Q. Now we can write determinant of R and L be this determinant of Q, which is 2xx 0 4 0, and this is xxn 6. Now we need to check whether it is equal to this determinant plus 8. Now here we have these two columns identical. So what we'll do is we'll split this third column. We'll write this as x plus 0. This is 0 plus 0. And this is 5 plus 1. So we'll write this as this determinant 2xx 0 4 0 x x5 and plus this 2x0 0 4 0 and x xn 1. Now we expand this second determinant about this third column. Now this is 1 and 4 into 2 is 8. So we can actually write this as 2xx 0 4 0 and this is x xn 5 and plus 8. That means this option C is correct. Now we actually find this determinant of R, then determinant of R will be equal to determinant of Q. We'll find this determinant by expanding about this second row. So it will be 4 into, now this is 12 minus x square. So there will be 48 minus 4x square. Now for x equals 1, if we take x equals 1, then determinant of R will be equal to determinant of Q, and that will be equal to 44, and which is unequal to 0. So if we have this equation which is R x equals 0, and since determinant of R is non-zero, that means R inverse exists. Now we multiplied with R inverse, we can write R inverse into R into x will be 0, that is x equals 0. So from here we'll get the only condition that alpha is 0, beta is 0 and gamma is 0. That means this alpha I plus beta j plus gamma k, it can never be a unit vector. So this option B, it is incorrect. Now we'll come to this one, PQ equals QP. Now if we write PQ, then what we'll do is we'll basically write elements in only first row. Now here will be x plus 2, here will be 2x plus 4, and here will be x plus 6, and then there will be 6 other entries. And if we write QP, now QP will be 2, 2x plus 4 and 5x plus 2. Now if we equate them, then from here we'll get x equals 2, and from here we'll get 4x equals 4, we'll get x equals 1, which means there is no simultaneous solution to this equation. So basically this option D, it is incorrect. Now we have to check this option A, which is the most interesting option. Now it says for x equals 0, if R into 1AB equals 6 1AB, then A plus B equals 5. Now if we put x as 0, then basically this Q will be expressed as 2 0 0 0 4 0 and 006, which simply means that this Q, it is a diagonal matrix. Now we know that for diagonal matrix, eigenvalues are diagonal elements. So for this Q, eigenvalues are 2, 4 and 6. Now 6 is one of the eigenvalues of Q. Now if we look at R, and this R is PQ P inverse. Now we know that Q into X will be equal to 6 into X. Now PQX will be equal to 6PX. Now we know that R is PQ P inverse. So what we'll do is we'll multiply P to the right. So we'll write RP will be equal to PQ. So we can replace this PQ with RP. So it will be RPX will be equal to 6PX, or we can write this as this R, and considering PX as one matrix, and it will be 6 into PX. Now this is Rx dash equals 6x dash. That means this 6 is also eigenvalue for R. Now we have to find eigenvector corresponding to this eigenvalue 6. Now we know that this Q, it is a diagonal matrix whose one of the eigenvalue is 6. And for diagonal matrix, the corresponding column matrices are 1 0 0, 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. Now we know that Q is 2 0 0, 0 4 0 and 0 0 6. Now QX will be equal to 6x if we take x as 0 0 1. For 1 0 0 it will be 2. For 0 1 0 it will be 4. And for 0 0 1 it will be 6. So we can write Q into 0 0 1 will be equal to 6 into 0 0 1. Now we can write PQ into 0 0 1 will be equal to 6P into 0 0 1. Now P into Q is R into P. So we can write R into P 0 0 1 will be equal to 6 into P 0 0 1. Now we'll find P into 0 0 1. Now P into 0 0 1 will be 1 1 1 0 2 2 0 0 3 into 0 0 1. Now we multiply them. We'll get this as 1 2 3. So this R into 1 2 3 will be equal to 6 into 1 2 3. Now in the question it says R into 1AB, it is equal to 6 into 1AB. Now we compare, we'll get A as 2 and B as 3. So value of A plus B is 5. That means this option A is also correct. So the correct options are A and C. Hello and welcome to the world of mathematics. I present my website www.mathsmarazing.com and my YouTube channel Mathsmarazing for your kind perusal. If you like them and are inspired by the possibilities, then consider subscribing and sharing it with someone you know who might benefit from it. Thank you.